Hi, and welcome to a market analysis video from the stealthytrader.com. So we're going to go over a couple of things in this video. First off, this is a post from the 24th, which was Tuesday, and just want to highlight the significance of what we saw in the market, starting with Friday, actually, and unfortunately carrying out a lot today. Unfortunate if it was a total surprise what did transpire. Basically, the gist of this post, this is in the basic section, market commentary. This is where we post, sorry, our free content. Premium members are in the premium section here. Okay, so the gist of this post, which I do hope you go back and read, is we did notice on the charts a couple of things. Here's one. This is the primary chart. As you can see, this is Tuesday's action, Friday, and what we pointed out in the post was the inability from Friday and Monday to get above the 18,200 level in the Dow. This doesn't always mean that the market's going to collapse, but as we pointed out in this post, which was sent out Tuesday morning, I believe, we have enough evidence in the past couple of weeks at least that the market is impatient when key levels are not penetrated. So anyway, this is what happened. So this is Tuesday. Wednesday, today, which we all know, the market really collapsed over 200 some odd points. We had 17.9 to 18,000 support. Went below the support. The support we were talking about is these bottoms. This is a 30-minute chart, so I'll consider that minor support. So again, it's really important that being able to correlate individual stock names and not getting caught up in the excitement of the level 2, if that's what you're looking at, and enrolling in just seeing the offer being lifted and the market going up, because that's going to segue into the next chart I want to show, how picking up on subtle shifts in market dynamics could save you a lot of money. And if you're paying a service, you better make sure that they are doing that. Okay, hold on. Okay, so again, getting back to that point, this is a chart of the Dow. It's a little bit shrunken in view, so you could really see what's going on. This is Monday, as you can see down here, and Tuesday. What we did notice, and also this blue squiggly line is Condo, CNDO, Coronado Biosciences, which we follow. Clearly, the price down here was much lower. So this stock was very strong relative to a strong market Monday morning from last week, but the failure to get above this high, I mean, you can see it very clearly here on Monday late afternoon. And then the market collapsed a little bit on Monday late afternoon. Tuesday, it immediately opened lower and rebounded. Now, if we follow Coronado on Tuesday, the price is going up, but here's something we picked up, and we were able to alert our members. This failure here in this highlighted circle with the down arrow was significant, because what you had was a drop off of Monday afternoon, late afternoon's drop, a rally, and this candle right here, these candles, it could have rallied right back and taken out that high, and everybody would be dancing the jig right now. But we picked up on this weakness in this circle, yet Condo, CNDO, continued to rally to recent highs. I don't have the y-axis here on the left side, but trust me when I tell you it was very high, I think like 465 or something. We advised our members to unload a bunch of our positions And what happened? The market went south. In this case, condo cratered. Just an example of how important it is to correlate. Each stock is not in its own vacuum. Yes, some stocks will take off and they will move counter to the market if the market's going south and they have great fundamental news on a particular name, an analyst upgrade, or something, great earnings report, or same store sales that blew away numbers. Yeah, the stock will buck the trend, but that's a very small percentage of time. Let's take a look at some more things. Okay, so next thing we're going to do, looking at our home page here, is we're going to go to the Significant Alerts tab, because I just want to finish this point by pointing out something here. And that's the Significant Alerts page is where we put copies of our real-time market alerts that our premium members get. We wait about 2 or 3 days in deference to them paying a subscription. Sorry. Again, so this here, hope you can see that all. This was sent out on Tuesday, the 24th, at just a little bit past noon Eastern Standard Time. And as I had shown in that prior chart, we saw that bubble, that circle that showed that the market was going to probably fail any kind of rebound attempt on Tuesday. And or I believe it was Monday. I'm not sure, but either way, going back to that chart, and we immediately sent out an alert. This is for Sequinum, SQNM, a stock that we've been following very closely. And so we got out. This stock didn't crater like Condo did, but it's just really important to be able to pick up on things like this. And we explain that the market is acting erratic, and as Tuesday and Wednesday played out, it surely was. So this is a great page to come to. It's our Significant Alerts page, and that's that. All right, on to the present things. Can't dwell on the past forever. This is the chart of the Dow, and this is the circle area right here. These three 30-minute bars is what I refer to, and this happened on Tuesday around 10:30, 11 a.m., where this confirmed to us that the market wasn't probably going to go bounce and take out the highs that it couldn't. Just want to repeat that because it's really important to be in the markets or have whatever service you're using be in the trenches, not running around town giving presentations or doing webcasts during market hours. It's ironic that I would say that, but we don't generally unless we have a real nice break in time. We save this for the evening, usually. Okay, anyway, so Tuesday we saw what happened, and today here's Wednesday, and yep, read them and weep. All these are setups. I'm not saying that it's obvious what happened, but it wasn't a surprise to us. And our members did well today. We made some money. We happen to be involved in an entity that appreciates if the market should go south. It's a volatility proxy, and that's the ace up our sleeve that is ignored still, but yet it's great to hold. What else can I say about this? There is a bottom here. Let me tighten this up a little bit. So you can see back to 2 Thursdays ago, and this is around 17,600. We closed at 17,719. That's another 120 points. You have a bunch of bottoms here, going back to Friday, and then back to Tuesday, Wednesday. What day was this? Anyway, it's a couple of weeks. It's like 2 weeks ago. This is Thursday. That was last Thursday. So it's 2 Thursdays ago, 2 Tuesdays ago. And the market took off from there. So I would definitely suspect that we're gonna, if we do pull back, 17,650, it better hold. Let's take a look at a daily. Okay, the Dow daily chart. Monday, Tuesday, today. Yeah, that's ugly. We went below the 20-day, the 50-day. Here's that 17,650 area. These bottoms here. I would expect some support here. Below that, 200-day around 17,300. So that's another 400 points from where we closed. And yes, this is very possible, especially as it looks like the 20-day might be doing a turn south. And I would say a downside support level is, which happens, I see a lot, is breakouts of channels that come back to test a channel all this time later, and that would be down here at 17,120. So net, there could be another 600 points down, at least at a minimum, if these levels don't hold. And again, who knows? And we, at the Stealthy Trader, we do say that we don't try to prognosticate on where the market's going, but we certainly like to have scenarios played out to take advantage of it. We're not looking to hit home runs and grand slams. We're singles, doubles, and believe it or not, when you take care of those, the grand slams do come. Let's take a look at one or two more things. Okay, we'll conclude by looking at one of our favorite pages. By the way, we use Ameritrade. We endorse Ameritrade, and we use it for charting, filtering, alerts. It really does the job, not to mention that if you have an account, this is all part of having an account. If you do decide that you want to find out more about how we use Ameritrade, please reach out to me, Jonathan, and I'll discuss it with you and provide you with a link that will give you access to our endorsement with Ameritrade, including our sheets and scans and all the goodies that we utilize. This page looks shrunk because I'm trying to fit it within the video screen, but let's take a look individually. So this is the Dow, the NASDAQ, the Russell, which is the small caps, and the S&P. The Dow we covered. I'll just quickly give a look there. That's the Dow daily chart. These are all daily charts because you know what? The indices do move differently than each other. Generally the same, but there are subtle differences that sometimes it really pays to know. So this is what we were looking at starting Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday in the Dow, and it gave us the ability to issue alerts like you saw prior in this video. So that's the Dow. The NASDAQ really took it on the chin today, and where that is slightly different, whereas the Dow is below the 20 and the 50, NASDAQ pulled right back to the 50 here. This is key. 48.65. Do you think we'll be watching for this tomorrow? We sure will. And it could hold up the entire market from falling if it does test that area. Down here is that same channel. Much lower levels is possible, and the 200 days even lower relative in the NASDAQ. So for you bulls, let's just hope that it holds here around the 50-day. And how I'm moving around this Ameritrade platform is the ease. I hope you can see how easy it is to have all this great data at your hands, or utilize a service like ours, the Stealthy Trader, and this is what we do. We don't do anything else. This is what we do. This is the S&P, and this one fell through its 50-day. Similar to the Dow, in a sense that you have these bottoms here, same distance away, and you have the 200-day down here. And finally, let's take a look at the Russell, because we tend to live in the Russell 2000. A lot of our stocks are sub 15. Small to mid cap, and this one is the strongest actually. It had taken off, and today, I mean, if that doesn't say whoa, I don't know what does. We got the 50 down here, 121.44, a buck lower than where it closed. 200, oh my god, all the way down by 116, and this is the Russell. In one glance, when we do all this very quickly during a trading day, because the more we're away from the trading, the less profitable we and our clients are going to be. So anyway, that's it for now. I'm Jonathan from the Stealthy Trader, and please reach out to us on our website, on our homepage that I showed. There's opportunities to reach us in a number of ways. We have our tweets there. Please stay on top of that. Follow us on Twitter. There's an icon to do that on the homepage, and look forward to bringing you more of these videos. Have a great day.